Tech deck versus bonfire. We're gonna see how long this thing survives. And here we have it. Ooh. Do not try this at home.
That was a dope element too. I could have rode that.
Yeah, I know. I kind of want to pull it out and actually play with it before it gets too burnt. Tech deck versus bonfire. What do you think about this? Burn, baby, burn.
Why not? Whatever for
Hope
10,000.
Yeah, hope you guys like this. Tech deck versus bonfire. Opening the burnt tech deck. Yeah. Did it survive? Nope. Or did it? Is it skateable? It is skateable. Yeah. That's so dope. Look at it. Tech deck versus fire. And this is Tech deck versus bonfire video 3. We're actually gonna watch it burn this time. Oh. I failed to throw the board in. Ooh. Gonna watch that tech deck burn. The tech deck is on fire.
Burn, you fucking tech deck.
You burn, baby, burn. My hand is burning right now. It's crazy. The tech deck has engulfed into flames. Hope you guys enjoy that. On a scale from 1 to flammable, that tech deck is flammable. R.I.P. tech decks.